get the carbon work in this car, guys. The M6 is back though. Oh my gosh. Look at this car, guys. Look at it. My brother and I are blessed. V10 M6 is back. It's back here in Michigan. I mean, it's right there. It's gonna cold start. We're gonna go wash the cars off and just see the car again. Look at that car. It's been, I guess, 2 years since the M6 has been back here in Michigan. It's been in Florida. My brother obviously has been living in Florida, so the cars have missed each other, and it's cool because the cars are happy to be back with each other as well. Not just the MI, the M5 is happy as well. So everybody and everything is happy. It's great. So okay, we made it to the wash. It's pretty busy out here, you know. Great white M6. Thing is beautiful. You already know what it is. We have my M5. Clean when it's dirty, you know what I'm saying? But we gotta get it, we gotta keep it tip top, especially in the winter conditions. OG subscribers know what this is right here. Run like the wind, bro. Here you go. Bingo. Got our change. Got the M6 in the bay. Dave on the sticks. That boy swift with it too. Jeez. Move mine up in there. Just like that, we got the M5 washed up. We're about to take off, you know, just got the things cleaned up. About to hit the road. Just a little quick video. I guess reintroducing our BMW V10 M6 on the channel. That thing just beautiful, guys. Listen to that thing. Oh, did you hear that pop? Got the V10 over here. We're about to make it louder, but the first thing we got to do is take measurements make sure we can get the proper tools and equipment for this job. But the goal is to make it louder. So, hey man, what's good, dog? What's happening, baby?
What's happening, baby? You know we do what it do. All love and sport and game.
Yeah.
A little further back. Alright, stop right there.
Yep, keep going.
What I find easiest is if you just kind of like rock your way on and keep going.
Okay.
But if you kind of like stop halfway, then just reset. Because
Okay.
if you try to stop and go again,
It's hard to.
yeah, it can be painful.
Ooh, the carbon fiber there.
All right, you're good, Joe.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Alright, you're good right there.
I see the Alpina wheels.
You put the engine in this the other day.
Oh, really?
That's a straight 6 motor off a late 90s 3 Series. So this car originally came with 4 maker in the 70s.
We're at Night Vibes in the M6. I don't know if y'all can see me. Just got the measurements for the exhaust work that needs to be done on this car to make it louder. Getting excited there, sir?
It's unreal, mate. That's still crazy. I have my car up here.
Yeah, man, the V10. Look at the carbon work in this car, guys. Oh my gosh.
I clean it
Woo.
about every other week.
You said every other week?
Yeah, about every other week I take the microfiber to it.
Carbon right here as well.
And the back too. All about everywhere pretty much in
Oh, that sounds sick. Dog, the M6 vibes, man.
And I'm not even smashing on the throttle like that.
Man, it sounds so pure. The sound is so clean. Yeah, this thing could be a lot louder though.
Yeah.
That thing was whipping though, bro.
It whips, bro.
And let me know what you guys think about my brother's M6. Oh, no, first and foremost, oh, it just looks so good rolling. I'm gonna try and get it just a shot right now of it just cruising. I love that look right there. Oh, it's just so exotic, almost like an exotic kind of look. Oh, sounds great. You can just hear it now, just humming. We're gonna make it louder, hopefully. You know, if Jason can get back to us with the exhaust, you know, what's it gonna cost for all the material costs and everything like that. But that downshift sounds so good. But I mean, I missed the combination of the M6 and my M5, and honestly my brother's M3 in the mix, E92 M3 in the mix as well. Shout out to my brother James. Make sure you guys go subscribe to him, post it up. So just like that, we're parked back up at the crib. The M6 and the M5 are reunited once again. This time it's got a spoiler, a black grille, and now it's back, man. How it feel?
Good. Cold as hell, but good.
There ain't nothing else different to it than from last time.
Upgraded coil packs.
Oh.
Upgraded coil packs and spark plugs.
Wee. Ooh wee.
The sunset in the back.
The lighting though, that's the mood lighting. Mm.